Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can render the list of items using JSX in React. So for example, I have a list here. I say const programming language, so I say I have a list and I put here Golang, then I have Java, then I have Kotlin, then I have React, then I have Android. Android is not a language. Android, we may have JavaScript. Like this we have a languages. Now I want to render this list. So what I can do here, I say watch videos of following playlist on my channel, like this, on my YouTube channel, like this, and here I want to render this list. So how I can render it? So now we have an array. So this lang array I want to display. So for displaying a value of any array, we need expression tag. Then I took lang dot map. So under this map I need the language information, one language at a time. So I say info, then I need the li, because under this we need li, and again I need expression tag to display the value of this. So I save it, and if you will see, this is the output which we have. We have list here, watch video for the following playlist on YouTube, and it is coming in center because we have used the center. So I can do one more thing here. I just say that style, I can put here my style, and I say in a rendering element, one more rendering, I say here that text alignment should be left, right? This I put this value, so I put this value under the single quote. So we have this text alignment toward the left side, so I see this is coming in. So we can overcome you know that the inline CSS. So I implemented here inline CSS by using a style tag. So under this we have put it the style, so we have a expression tag 2 times, and under this we have this value text alignment left side, and we are able to do this here. So I can do this also to the left side if I want. So for that we can put the same this to this also. Save it. We have one more curly bracket, save it, and we have this in the left side also. So like this we can display the list, or we can render the list in React. It's a very simple. We have array, we have expression tag. Under the expression tag we are using a map. We know that map and filters, reduce, these are the functions, those are available in each and every array. In JavaScript, one by one we are reading a value and putting li under this, and we are just using a style also to make it justified toward the left side. So I think in this video you have learned how to render a list in a React. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in more videos also. you.